So what is up, guys? This is Trey. I haven't uploaded a video in like 10 years, and my only excuse is that I was too lazy. I didn't want to film a video. So here I am, putting some primer on my face. This is Benefit Professional Matte Rescue, or whatever one has the girl, and it's like blue. I don't know. And so I'm just putting it all over my face, like looking all nasty and oily. But I promise I'll look really cute in a second. Wait. Bam! So here I am. I'm back. I'm singing to some song. I don't even know. And I'm putting some concealer foundation under my eyes because I don't want to look tired. So I blended it out, and I'm using a darker foundation. This one's from L'Oreal. It's their Infallible Pro Glow Liquid Foundation. 24-hour wearing. But really, you can only wear it for like 12. But anyway, so here's me blending it into my skin. I look really good. Oh my gosh. So I'm still dancing to some song, and I'm setting my whole face with some powder. I don't even know what powder this is. I think it's like Airspun, but I'm not sure. I'm just setting my whole face with it. I'm not about to take this makeup off anytime today. So here's me doing my eyebrows. They're going to look really good. And 1, 2, 3, bam, look, they're all filled in. I didn't even record it. But so here's me filling my eyebrows in. I look really good. Basically, if I was going to school, I'd stop here. But I'm not. So I'm like doing my eyeballs now with some concealer or powder. I don't even know. You can't even tell a difference. But I think I'm doing something with that brush. And now I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm taking a yellow eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm just like blending it with some Sephora brush. I think it looks cool. Wait. Yeah, bam, look, it's all over my entire eyeball now. And I'm talented, so I'm going to do a cut crease because I can. And I'm just doing some concealer on this, like, concealer brush that I've had for years. And I'm, like, blending it, or I don't even know. What am I doing? Bam, look, some reason I did an entire cut crease, but stopped. I don't know. I'm blending now with some orange eyeshadow from the same palette, and it's gonna look really cool, I think. But I'm just like darkening that outer corner and blending and looking really good as I do this. I should record all my videos at this setup. By the way, that's my windowsill right behind me, but you can't tell. Looks like a backdrop. So here's me, bam, blue eyeshadow. Where did that come from? I don't even know. I'm just using this blue eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics. Same palette. I only used one palette today because I wanted to be, I don't know, resourceful or use my money. But I'm just blending it with this like weird flat brush. It's kind of weird, but I think it'll look good in a second. So here's me. I'm back. I'm doing my inner corner now with some liquid glitter by Stila. This is awesome. This is in the color Rose Gold Retro. I use this pretty much all the time, and I could have put it even on my eyeballs, but instead, I wanted blue because I'm what? Creative. Yay. So, here's me now doing my mascara. I hate mascara. That's why I bought a mini size from Too Faced for like $10 because I never wear it. But today I decided to. So, I'm just doing my lashes or whatever you do with mascara. I don't know. I never use it. And so, I look really good. So, here's me. I'm back. I think I'm doing powder now, right? Yeah, even more powder because I really wanted to look snatched. I just wanted that like perfect cheekbone contour, I guess. And I set my nose for some reason. I don't even know. So now I'm bronzing the skin with some Physicians Formula bronzer, and this is great if you want to look tan without doing the work. So I basically put it on this brush, and look at me. I look even more Mexican than I already am. Fun fact, I am Mexican. And I'm just blending, and now I'm contouring my nose, right? Hold on. Yep, now I'm contouring my nose, and I don't even know if this does anything. I've seen James Charles do it, and me and James Charles are pretty much the same person, so I'm now, I think, blending it. I don't even know. But if you want to be a skinny legend, you have to have a skinny nose, and I really want to be a skinny legend, so here's me. Oh, I'm highlighting with some Becca highlighter I got from a palette by Becca that I bought for $52. And it came with 2 highlighters, a blush and a bronzer. which, by the way, both suck. But, you know, it's okay, because the highlighters are all that mattered. And so now I'm putting more highlighter on my face, and down my nose, and on my lips. And now I'm putting the lipstick on, right? Yep. Lipstick from L'Oreal. It's brown, and it has dewiness in it. And so I really just wanted to be shiny or something. I don't know. And so here is me. Am I putting eyelashes? Yeah, I am. These are from Kiss in the style Opulence. Yeah, they're like $5. I bought them at a Walgreens, and they are really good, and I'm just like really not feeling it. See, I rolled my eyes at everybody watching. Like, I'm so rude. Oh, and I guess that's the end. So I look really good, and thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like the video, share it. All my social media will be in the description below. And I hope everyone has an awesome day and a really good spring. So, bye. Bye.